Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. Today we're going to be looking at on how to add Discord bots to your server, to your Discord server, that is. So first and foremost, we're going to look at Fredbot. So what is Fredbot? Fredbot is basically a music bot. You can play music from Twitch, SoundCloud, YouTube, not Spotify, but you get the gist. So first we're gonna go to its official website. Once we're here, we have this button called invite to server. We want to press on that. After we press on that, it's gonna ask us to log in. I'm gonna log in using my QR code. So if you have Discord, you can download it on your phone and you can log in via QR code from your phone. So I'm just gonna go to my phone and I'm gonna log in via the QR code. This, and yes, log me in. Once that's done, as we can see, select the server. It's gonna be my server, and after that I'm just gonna press authorize and beep bop boop boop. Yes, I am a human. It's gonna ask you to do a captcha real quick, which I mistakenly cancelled out there. And after finishing the captcha, it's gonna ask you to do more because one test is not enough, is it? It's asking me to do bikes. These are bicycles. And finally, it determined that I'm a human by a random selection of a few pictures. And now if I go to my Discord server, we can see Fredbot has been added. Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like. If you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell to not miss any more videos. Bye bye!